Hello my loves, welcome back. It's me, Jenny. How is everyone doing today? Okay my loves, so today we're going to do something a little bit different. I originally was planning and was trying to get a tutorial out for you guys, creating these really fun adorable little tags for Easter, and I thought these came out so cute, but unfortunately my camera was not actually recording while I was showing you guys how to create this tag. So I'm going to have to redo it over again, and I will do that for you guys in the next few days because these tags are so cute and so easy to make, and they make such a really fun little project for like a Easter basket or like an Easter little gift for someone. So I thought it was really cute, but we're not going to be able to do that today. So I want to show you guys what I am also trying to create, which are these little fun I love these. These are these little fun little stamp embellishments that I created. I made a few of these because I want to do a few layouts for Easter and spring in my junk journal. So I made a few of these and I wanted to show you guys how I made them. It was super easy to make, very simple. So what I'm using right now for the image is this amazing wonderful stamp sticker postage that I got at Amazon. And I love these because this has all the colors, and these are all stamped stickers, like postage stamps, and they just look so beautiful. I am obsessed using these. So I'm going to use this to create these embellishments. Very simple, very easy. I just need a few. I don't need too many, but I just wanted to show you because it was something that was really quick. So I'm going to use actually the envelope that the gift card came in, or the, not the gift card, the greeting card came in with, because I kind of want to layer my stamp like I did here, but with like a different color. I want the color to kind of stand out a little bit, okay? So we need a little bit of a piece of paper, okay? Preferably a different color than the stamp. I'm going to pick one of these really fun stamps because I'm obsessed with them. But I want to use, here, let's use this one right here. And I'm just going to basically place it down on my paper. And I'm just going to cut around it. Just kind of creating like a little border so that when I attach this to my other paper that I'm going to use, it really stands out better, yeah? Okay, see how it stands out a little bit better than doing it by itself? I like the way that looks. All right, so we're going to do that. And then I have here another little piece of paper. This is from the actual greeting card. And I'm going to actually put this right in front of the paper, and I'm going to cut it out also to the side so it can fit perfectly on there, yeah? Okay, let's do it like this because the design is going this way. You know me, I eyeball everything. And then, okay, perfect. So this is a little square, and this is the little embellishment that's going to go right on top of the square. We're going to put double-sided tape on that. And I'm using, not double-sided tape, I'm using actually this, I don't know, 3D dimensional adhesive from the Dollar Tree. And I'm just going to add one here, and I'm going to add one here. Now I'm doing this with you guys, but when I'm going to add these to my junk journal, I'm not using these because this gives too much bulk to my journal and it just makes it really too thick. So I'm just doing this to show you, but I'm not going to be using those for my journal, okay? But I wanted to show you because I think it looks really pretty. All right, that looks perfect. I'm gonna trim this on a little bit more. All right, perfect. And the last thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to add these really cute flowers that I got at Michael's years ago. These are paper flowers. You can create your own if you want, or you can use stickers if you want, but these are some of these paper flowers that I got at Michael's years ago. So I'm just going to add the little flower right into the little corner right here with a little bit of hot glue. Right there. And that is just so adorable. I love that. See that? So cute. So cute. Now you could put, if you want to put Happy Easter on these and make these like an embellishment, you can do that too, yeah? See? You could put like a little bit of a Happy Easter sticker on there. That would be cute as well. But I'm going to keep mine like that because I want to use them again on my journal. And I just love the way these look. So look how fun these are, yeah? So springy looking, so Easter looking. I thought it was so cute. You could actually use these as tags also if you want. You could just punch a little hole right here in the little center right there. Boom! And you can use them as little gift tags as well. But they're super cute to make and super easy, yeah? All right, so if you guys are interested to buy this book, I'm going to link it at the bottom of my video so you can go to look at it and go to Amazon and just, you know, take a look at it if you're interested. So I hope that you like this. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.